What did it came in your mind when you saw this look for the first time? For me, it was that bold lips and that simple bronze eye. This look of Priyanka Chopra at the Bulgari High Jewelry Store was everything. And today I'm gonna show you how to create this look in less than 5 minutes. And now for the eyeshadow, grab any eyeshadow palette which has brown colors in it, like this. First, prep your eyes with any eyeshadow base that you have, or you can even use a concealer. Here I'm using MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in shade Soft Ochre. And let me tell you, this kind of eyeshadow look literally goes with every single outfit that you have for any kind of occasion. First, I'm gonna grab this shade and simply pat it all over my lid. I'm slowly intensifying the same color right above my crease line. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab the shimmer shade and apply right here. Now this is totally optional. I'm using this glitter palette from Nabla Cosmetics, just a little bit like that. Now I'm using this shade and just putting it on my outer corner and a little bit right here. Now I'm simply adding this dark brown color like a liner. It doesn't have to be perfect as we're gonna blend it out. And a tight line with a brown cream gel liner from Colourpop Cosmetics. For my waterline, as I don't have a nude liner, I'm going to be using this gold cream gel liner in shade Fade Away from Colourpop Cosmetics. It's going to give you an illusion of the bigger eyes. Brown mascara from Too Faced for my lower lash line. L'Oreal Paris mascara for my upper lashes. My lashes, it's not giving, so I'm still going to go ahead and add this lashes from Velour in Style Whisk Me Away. And this is how it looks with the lashes on. Use this lip liner from Colourpop Cosmetics in shade Dial Up. Adding Pastel Beauty liquid lipstick in shade Graceful right on top of it. That's it, you guys. This is my take on Priyanka Chopra's look. I did this look in the most simplest way that I ever could. Now you guys let me know how I did it in the comment section.